Hello, my loves. Shabbat Shalom. I'm so glad you could join me here today for Shabbat. I'm getting all ready. I have my candles and I have my Kiddush cup, and I'll put that right there. And I have my challah, right? And I'm getting all ready to have Shabbat. Birdies, did you hear that? Hey, hang on a second. Let me see who's over there. Hello. Oh my goodness! There's a dinosaur knocking at my door. Knocking 1, 2, 3. There's a dinosaur knocking at my door, and he wants to spend Shabbat with me. He wants to light the candles. He wants to drink the wine. He wants to taste the challah 'cause it tastes so fine. There's a dinosaur knocking at my door. Knocking 1, 2, 3. There's a dinosaur knocking at my door, and he wants to spend Shabbat with me. And you, birdies. Mwah! Mwah! Shabbat Shalom!